Concentrate.
This is awesome!
Welcome to Hell's Revenge. Because the best vacations are the ones you feel forever, where every climb, laugh, and sweeping view becomes a memory.
Go, baby, go!
You get to take the wheel, and it feels like you're climbing to the top of the world. Expertly guided by the best in the business, climbing higher, exploring deeper, and revealing views that take your breath away.
This is great! Yeah! Oh, that's so much fun!
The moments we share with the ones we love become the memories that stay with us. The laughter, the adventure, the feeling of being together. And at the Moab Tourism Center, we're here to help you create the kind you'll look back on, smile at, and never forget. Make it happen. Book your tour with the Moab Tourism Center today.